Hello, welcome to Sarojini Smart Learning. How are you all? So, hope in the last session you have got some basic information about geometry, and we'll extend that information into a little deeper into this topic. Okay. So, in the last session, we're discussing about geometry. What is geometry? What is plane? What is dot? What is vertex? And what is an angle? Okay, so in a circle there are 360 degrees we call, right? So we'll continue. Here I have given two pictures, two diagrams. Just observe it. There is a straight line given, right? This is a straight line, it's very clear. And CBD is an angle, ABC is another angle. There are two angles. So what are the angles? I'll take from you. ABC is one angle and the other angle is CBD. CBD is another angle. So here it is given 3x plus 15. This value is x plus 5. Now we have to find x from this one. So what would be the x value of this one? So as I told, being it is a straight line, if it is 0 angle, here it is 180 degrees, isn't it? It is a supplementary angles. Both are supplementary angles. So in both angle ABC plus angle CBD is equal to, what is that straight line? 180 degrees. So this value is given as 3x plus 15 plus this is given as x plus 5, which is equal to 180 degrees. So take out the brackets, 3x plus 15 plus x plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now 3x plus 1x makes what? 4x plus 15 plus 5 makes what? 20 is equal to 180 degrees. So 4x plus 20 is equal to 180. That means 4x is equal to 180 minus 20. So 4x is equal to 160 degrees. Okay. So x is equal to 160 divided by 4. 4 4 is 16. So x is equal to 40 degrees. So he is asking me to find out the value of x. So x is nothing but 40 degrees. In this way we can find. Now suppose if you want to check whether this is 40 right or wrong, how you are going to do? I'll explain now. Here the first angle is 3x plus 15. Write down 3x plus 15. That means 3 into x. What is x value? You got 40 plus 15. So 340, 40 is a 120 plus 15, which is equal to 135 degrees is one angle. Other one what? X plus 5. I'll write here x plus 5. What is x? 40. 40 plus 5, which is equal to 45. So now check 135 degrees plus 45 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. Is the right answer. So 180 is the angle for this one because it is a supplement. So in this way we can find out. Okay. So we'll check the second part also. Second example I'm going. Here again a straight line is given. Right? There is a straight line. Say names, say A, B, C, or D or E also we can put. So now three angles. Angle ABC is one angle. ABC. Right? Next angle CBD is second angle. CBD is second angle. Third angle is DBE. DBE. Now there are three angles, but they are all on the straight line. Straight line is nothing but supplement angle, that is nothing but 180 degrees. So angle ABC plus angle CBD plus angle DBE is equal to 180 degrees. Now what is angle ABC? X plus 20 degrees. What is CBD? 50 degrees. What is DBE? X minus 10, which is equal to 180 degrees. Now open the brackets, x plus 20 plus 50 plus x minus 10 is equal to 180 degrees. Now check here, 1x plus 1x makes 2x. And numbers 20 plus 50, 70. minus 10, that is 60, is equal to 180 degrees. So 2x is equal to 180 degrees plus 60. If it goes that side, it is minus 60. So I'll continue here. 2x is equal to 180 minus 60 is nothing but 120 degrees. 180 minus 60 is 120. So x is equal to 120 degrees by 2. 2 1s are 2 6 are 0. So x is equal to 60 degrees you got. So in this way we can find out. Now you may say that whether that is true or false. How we are going to know? Now what I will do? I will substitute in that. What is first angle? That is x plus 20. That is 60 plus 20, which is equal to 80 degrees over. Already second one 50 is given. Third one x minus 10. That is 60 minus 10, which is equal to 50 degrees. So first one is 80. Second one is already given 50. And third one we got 50. 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 80, 180 degrees, which is the right answer. In this way, we can find out. So, would you like to do one more example? Okay. The angles are in a triangle are in the ratio of 1:2:3. Find angles. You may give question like this. So there is a triangle. Okay, it is given. Draw a triangle. So this is A, B, C. Now the angles, whatever the angles may be, they are in the ratio of 1:2:3. You can assume let the angles be 1x, 2x and 3x. Say this is 1x, this is 2x and 3x. So as we are discussing about triangle, what is the value of the triangle is nothing but 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So 1x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degrees. So 1x plus 2x is 3x, 3x plus 3x is 6x is equal to 180 degrees. So I'll write here 6x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 by 6. So 6 1s are 6 3s are 18 0. So x is equal to 30 degrees we got. Now we have to find out what are the original ratios. So we thought 1x, 2x and 3x. So 1x, 2x and 3x. So 1x means 1 into 30, 2x means 2 into 30, 3x means 3 into 30. That is 30, 60, 90. If you add 60 plus 30 plus 60 is 90, 90 plus 90 is 180. So in this way, we can find out if the question is given in ratio also, we can find out. Okay, so hope you understood today's topic on geometry. If they give in a problem method, so we can convert into this method and we can do it. So definitely, I think you understood. So in the coming classes, we'll do more and more topics with only basic knowledge. Then after that, we will do in an elaborated way. Okay. So thank you very much for today's class. Have a nice day. Bye.